In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find day from date in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple task that is useful whenever you have dates in a spreadsheet and you want Excel to show the day of the week automatically. For example, if you have a date like Sunday, Monday, or any other day, Excel can convert that date into the full day name for you. To begin, look at your spreadsheet and find the cell where you want the day name to appear. In these instructions, that cell is B2. Click on cell B2 so it becomes active. When you click the cell, you should see a cursor appear where you can type. Next, you are going to enter a formula into cell B2. Type the following exactly. =text A2 DDD. This formula tells Excel to take the date found in cell A2 and convert it into text using a specific day format. The text function is used for formatting a value into a readable form. In this case, A2 is the date reference, and DDDD tells Excel to produce the full day name, such as Sunday. After you type the formula, take a moment to confirm that it is entered correctly, including the quotation marks around DDDD and the commas in the right places. You want Excel to interpret the formatting instructions properly. Then press Enter. When you press Enter, Excel calculates the formula and displays the result in cell B2. Now, the key idea is that you have created a working day name for one date. But most spreadsheets have multiple dates, so you will copy the same logic to the cells below. To do that, use the fill handle. The fill handle is a small square at the bottom right corner of the active cell, and in this case, it will appear on cell B2 after you have calculated the formula. Before you drag, make sure you understand what you are about to do. Dragging the fill handle down will copy the formula to the next cells and adjust the cell references automatically. That is what allows the day name to match each new date row without you typing a new formula each time. Next, drag the fill handle down from cell B2 to cell B4. As you drag, you may see the values preview or the formula being filled in the destination cells. Once you release the mouse button at cell B4, Excel will populate B3 and B4 with the correct day names based on the dates in A3 and A4. At this point, you should see that cell B2 shows the full day name for the date in A2, cell B3 shows the full day name for the date in A3, and cell B4 shows the full day name for the date in A4. If you do not see the expected day names, the most common cause is that the values in column A are not recognized as actual dates by Excel. You can quickly check that by selecting the date cells and looking for date formatting. But for this method, the formula works best when the source cells contain valid date values. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.